Hey, I'm Jacob Arrington, and I'd like to talk to you about Fullbay GPS tracking. This feature lets you track the telematic data of all your units, your customers' vehicles, and your own service trucks if you have any. That means location, mileage, and usage information is all accessible from right inside Fullbay. If you're monitoring customers' trucks, that means you can automatically update mileage and usage data to keep track of upcoming or past due PM work. Who loves it when you stay on top of preventive maintenance and keep equipment running smoothly? Your customers. Plus, you'll have the ability to monitor your service trucks, giving you better route planning and more efficient dispatching. Who loves accurate ETAs and fast arrivals? Your customers. And get this, Fullbay integrates with multiple GPS tracking providers so you can choose the one that fits your needs. If you're ready for more effective PM management, real-time service truck visibility, and better overall operational efficiency, then GPS tracking is for you. To learn more, visit fullbay.com/GPS or contact us today to get started.